It is an absolute pleasure to be here today for this first annual meeting in Lecce for this wonderful project, Ocean Citizen. Crowe is actually working as work package leader for the coordination of this project, which is a big project. We're dealing with more than 20 partners. So it is clear for us that this kind of project requires a neat organization to make sure that all the partners from the different countries are able to work together and to make sure to get the best results for this project. From Crowe, it's an absolute pleasure to join this consortium, to work on those problematic that we have now regarding marine restoration and green projects in general. To be honest with you, Crowe is actually working in a wide range of different projects, and we are very happy to be here and to help all those wonderful research organizations to work together and to get the best results.